We just kicked out, just finished snacking, Lucy and I. Willie Nelson. In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, and only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember, yes I will. Blue eyes crying in the rain. You know anything about that, Lucy? Say you're blind with brown eyes, huh? That's right. What they talking about? Blue eyes, huh? Ain't no blue eyes here, huh? Not this blonde anyway. It's Willie Nelson song, man. You know nobody was smoking what he sang. Who is it? That's right. Willie's a cool dude, yeah. This is a classic. You get to be in. How about that? You want to sing? No, we won't start that right now. And someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again in that land that knows no parting. Yeah, blue eyes crying in the rain. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you all for letting me lay back and kick back and just sing.